Hi! In front of me is Oppo A77 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. First of all, you need to locate Recorder app. When you find it, click on it. If you never used it before, you'll need to click Allow in the pop-ups. Before starting your recording though, select those three dots at the top right corner. Then click on Settings and adjust those options however you wish to, like file format. When you're ready, go back and tap on the red button to start your recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same middle one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the left one, and in order to add a photo one, on the right one. Now take a picture, and in order to discard it, click on X on the left. Then click on the same one if you don't want to add a photo bookmark, or take another one. And click on the check mark on the right. If you wish to discard your recording right away, click on this X at the top left corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to end it and save it though, tap on the check mark on the right. Now name your recording however you wish to and click on Save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to play it, click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it. Choose Delete at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!